Hello guys, welcome again. So this is a video that we have been wanting to do for a while. It is about Ethernet cable termination. So first, we are going to talk about the tools that we need. So here is a cable stripper, and we are going to remove the insulator using this cable stripper. And here is the crimping tool, and this is what we are going to make connection. Also cut cables with it, and we can also do stripping with this tool. And then here is a bunch of RJ45 connectors. So this is what is going to make the end-to-end connections. And here also we have cable ties. So in a case we are going to do so much cables, that is what we use to manage cables. Secondly, we are going to also talk about the wiring standard for straight through cable. So here is the wiring standard. So we have side A. So we are going to use the color code beginning white orange, and then we go orange, and then white green there, and then we also have blue, blue white or white blue, and then there we have green, and then white brown, and then lastly brown. So this happens for side A and side B. Now let's begin. You just measure around 1.5 of an inch, and then you just lock it in the cage, and you just round it like that. So, and then we are going to pull the insulator. So inside we have our 4 pairs of copper wires, each color coded. So I can take this middle insulator. I can just use the crimping tool to cut it. So I'm going to separate each pair of these copper wires of the Ethernet cat 5. So let me just separate each of these pairs. So we can see we have different color codes here. Now, when that is separated, we can just use our cable stripper to kind of make each twisted pairs straight. And then we are going to go to termination part. So from our wiring standard, so this is how you arrange the color codes. We begin with white orange, and then what follows is orange, and then also white green follows. And now we are going to take blue, and then we also go for white blue, and then our green color code is going to follow, and lastly we have the white brown and also brown. So make sure to hold this tightly, not to interchange the different color codes. Now so we take our RJ45 connector, and make sure you hold this with your left hand with the where we feed the cable facing to your left, sorry. Now so we are going to cut this one uniformly using the crimping tool. So you just place it like that, and make sure it is straight, and also about 1.5 inch, and then we cut it. Now we are going to feed our RJ45 with our arranged color codes, and we feed it like this, and also make sure to hold firmly to make sure that all the cables are fed to the RJ45 connector. Now we are going to take our crimping tool also, and now we are going to terminate our cable. So you insert on the that part, and then you just make sure to crimp tightly, and that is it for our side A of our Ethernet cable. Now this is what you repeat for the side B of the Ethernet cable. So guys, I have the other end connected to home router, and so here is we are going to test by inserting to the network interface card, and see if it is going to detect. And yes, it has detected that we have internet, and you can see from the other end it is also blinking. So that is how you terminate the Ethernet a local area network cable.